Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Ukraine says armed forces neutralized more than 260,000 Russian drones in 2026 as Delta verifies rising frontline interceptions. The armed forces of Ukraine have neutralized more than 260,000 Russian fixed-wing and multi-rotor drones since the start of 2026, according to Ukraine's Ministry of Defense. Every recorded engagement has been verified through the Delta combat system, providing a centralized record of counter-UAS unmanned aircraft system, or uncrewed aerial system activity across the front line. The total includes around 195,000 fixed-wing UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles and 66,000 multi-rotor drones destroyed since the beginning of the year. The ministry said the scale of the interceptions demonstrates the growing role of technology and counter-drone measures in protecting Ukrainian military personnel and civilians. The number of Russian fixed-wing UAVs unmanned aerial vehicles destroyed reached 40,438 in July, compared with 27,711 at the end of May. Verified engagements against multi-rotor UAVs unmanned aerial vehicles also increased, rising from 14,071 at the end of June to 19,945 in July. Engagements entered into Delta by Ukrainian military personnel are verified by the Innovation Development Fund of the Ministry of Digital Transformation. The system allows the circumstances of individual interceptions to be tracked and enables effective counter-drone solutions to be scaled more rapidly. Ukraine's Ministry of Defense describes Delta as the digital core of modern battlefield command and control. The platform is used to record and verify engagements, providing data that can support the wider deployment of counter-UAS methods that have proved effective in combat. The latest figures come amid the broader expansion of drone operations by the armed forces of Ukraine. The ministry previously said Ukrainian forces had struck more than 1 million enemy targets with drones since the beginning of 2026. According to that earlier ministry assessment, approximately 193,500 Russian service members were killed or seriously wounded in those drone strikes. The figure, like the counter-UAS statistics, was reported by Ukraine's Ministry of Defense. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.